Welcome to the Mind Gymnastics channel. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hat. H for hat. I for ape. I for ape. J for jam. J for jam. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for moon. M for moon. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for pig. P for pig. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tree. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you for exercising your mind with mind gymnastics. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Comment